I don't want the flesh. So this is my lava lamp from 30 years ago that I just restored in the last couple of days. Um, I did it in green, even though I can see on the camera here it's showing up kind of red. It's actually green, very green. But anyway, I had emptied this out, everything, the old wax, all of it. I cleaned it, and the way I did this was I melted down paraffin wax, I dyed it green, I put it in the bottle, let it solidify. I filled the bottle with water, turned it on, heated it up, and as soon as I, heated it up, all the wax floated to the top because paraffin floats. What you have to do after that is you have to inject the wax with tetrachloroethylene, which is brake cleaner. But you want to get brake cleaner with the purest form of tetrachloroethylene you can. And basically what you do is you add that chemical to the wax until it sinks. You don't want to overdo it, because if you put too much in, you'll never get it off the ground again. So you add that shit, tetrachloroethylene, until the wax sinks to the bottom. Once it sinks down to the bottom, you leave that motherfucker alone, okay? Then what I did is I turned mine off, and the next day, today, I turned it on. And I let the wax heat up, but it wasn't going anywhere. It was just staying on the bottom. And that's when I changed the density of the water. So first I changed the density of the wax, and then after you change the density of the wax, you have to change the density of the water. And the way you do that, is you take like a measuring cup like I did, and you put and remember, this all needs to be distilled water as well. It has to be distilled water or it won't work. So you take distilled water and you pour Epsom salt in there. You stir that motherfucker up until you can't dissolve any more Epsom salt in there, okay? So what you come up with is a very concentrated cup of Epsom salt water. And what you do is you start slowly adding that Epsom salt water until it changes the density of the water enough to get the wax to float. And it'll float right about to the middle. Once you do that, the next thing you do is add 1 drop, and I mean 1 drop, of clear dish liquid. And then you let it sit again for another hour or so, and it starts flowing just like it did when it was brand new. It starts breaking up and flowing. And man, I'm really happy with the way this turned out, because I didn't know what to do. I got this lava lamp in a trade 30 years ago. I traded my fish tank to the kid down the street for this lava lamp. And it's original Mathmos. Let me see. Let me put the light on so you guys can see. It's an original. I don't know why the wax is showing up red on this camera, but it's actually green. Very, very green. But anyway, I got this lava lamp 30 years ago at least in a trade for my fish tank for the lava lamp and a telescope. And like I said, over the years, the wax, it just went to shit. It was actually turned yellow. The wax in this was originally red. So I have another lava lamp that's red, and I always wanted a green one so that I could have, because I'm a boat guy, I wanted port and starboard. So yeah, man, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. If you guys have a lava lamp that you want to restore and you want some information, just let me know and I'll tell you how I did it. Because I'm really happy with the way this turned out, man. It's really flowing the way I want it to flow. Just like a brand new lava lamp, it's flowing. So, pretty friggin' cool. So, hey, by the way, it's 24 minutes after 12, 2021. God bless you guys. Happy New Year to everyone. I know everyone's going to have a prosperous, healthy, and fantastic 2021. And I'll talk to you guys soon. God bless you.